almost. Do you want to get it? Okay. This is a great place to play this out on the patio. Wow. Okay, you get it. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. All right. Oh, today is April 27th. Whose birthday is it? Ah! Is it your birthday, Grove? Okay, I'm going to throw it right there. I'm going to try to hit right there. Okay. Oh, almost. You almost got it. Good job. You can't reach it? How old are you, Grove? How old are you today? I know, but how old are you today? How old are you today? Huh? Oh, no! You threw it out! Okay. You get it. Okay. Don't throw it at Daddy. He's just putting stuff out there. We got to throw it this way, okay? Oh, I think you got it just right on my mitt. Really good. Okay. Here it comes. Okay. Whoa.
Oh, good job, Grove.